Okay, we will see the components first of all, and then we'll go for this particular connection. So this is the DHT sensor. Okay, you can observe very carefully. So on the DHT sensor, you can find 3 pins over here. Okay, so the top one is the VCC, then you have the data, then the middle one is the data, and the last one is the ground. So the VCC pin will be connected to the plus 5 volt of the Arduino. Okay, so on the left hand side you can see Arduino, you have the plus 5 volt. Then the ground pin will be connected to the ground on the Arduino, which is just side of this particular plus 5 volt. And then the data pin from the DHT sensor will be connected to the pin number 2, which is on the right hand side, digital pin number 2, because we have assigned that pin number 2 in the code, okay, for recording the values, okay, for recording the data. Then I need to have the breadboard over here. Okay, so this is the breadboard. I'll be mounting this particular sensor on the breadboard, and then I have the connection, and then I'll be having the 3 jumper wires over here. Fine. So what I will do, I will just first of all connect this particular sensor on the breadboard. Fine. Okay, I have mounted the sensor on the, what you can say, the breadboard. Now what I will do, I will just connect the cables over here one by one. So as you have seen over here, the right side pin is the VCC, then data, and then ground. Fine. So I'll be using one wire. Okay, so which will be connected. So the right side of this particular what you can say, now it will be on the left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side. So I'll be connecting that left hand side to the plus 5 volt of the Arduino. So this is the Arduino. Okay, so on the Arduino I'll be connecting to the plus 5 volt. Okay, so this is, I'll go on counting V in ground, and plus 5 volt. Okay, so I connected this to the plus 5 volt. Okay, you can see I connected to the plus 5 volt. Then I will have the ground pin. Okay, I'll be connecting. The ground pin is the last pin over here, which was the last pin you already seen. Okay, don't make mistake over here. Okay, and then you will have the ground pin to the ground pin on the Arduino. Okay, we'll be connecting on the Arduino over here. So this is the ground pin connected to the ground pin over here. Okay, and then simply the third pin, that is nothing but the data pin. Okay, so the data pin over here is this. Okay, the middle pin. I will be connecting to the pin number 2 of the Arduino. Fine. So here you can have the pin numbers, you can see on the Arduino over here. Okay, so this is the 0, 1 and pin number 2. So third pin from the bottom is nothing but the pin number 2. Okay, then you have the USB cable. What I will do, I will just connect this particular Arduino to the computer, and then I will upload the code. Just a minute, let me connect it. Fine. So it has got already connected. Now what I will do, I will upload the code. For uploading the code, I will select the port. Fine, I have uploaded the code over here. Okay, I uploaded the code. Now you can see the values. Okay, fine, uploading is done. Now to see the values on the screen, here you can see the values. Okay, to see the values, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to go to the serial print. So on the right top corner here you can see the cursor, serial monitor is there. Just click on that serial monitor. So when you click on the serial monitor, at the bottom you can see the values over here. See, the humidity has printed. Fine, one by one the values will go on printing. Temperature 30, humidity 60%. Fine, I'll just give the blow on this particular sensor so that the values will change. Fine, so when I blow the air on the sensor, say the humidity has changed to 73, 77 and likewise 79. Okay, so this is how you can control or rather record this particular values of temperature and humidity on the serial monitor. Okay, by using the Arduino. Fine, that's about the video. Thank you very much.